Hello everyone. I thought I'd do a quick video. We brought her out on her maiden voyage out here on our camping trip in the desert, and she's doing good. We're using the new refrigerator that we put in. I'm not going to show it now actually because it's a mess in there. Plus the kids are in there. Uh, well, I can't actually show. The kids are in there taking, I don't know, on their phones. So we're using the EcoFlow 2 to power the refrigerator. And then we have the EcoFlow being powered by our solar panel, which we have four, but I only brought one because the only thing we're using it for is the EcoFlow to charge the refrigerator. We're not using the light camp lights. We're using our portable lights. I'm going to actually show you guys the portable lights. We have our system, but we have these, which are portable lights that you just charge these with the C charger and USB, and you can't see because it's too light. Actually, I need to charge this one. So I have my Blue Eddy that I'm using to charge, which I need to charge it. It only says 10%. But anyway, these little lights that we use at night. So I don't know if you can tell it's coming on or not. Mo. Seriously, I'm making a video, and why are you barking? I mean, why are you whining? You're so needy. Dang it. He's so needy. This is Mozart. We call him Mo. He's so needy. He just wants me to play with him, but I'm doing something. Oh my goodness. Anyway, so I got to charge that Blue Eddy, but we use the Blue Eddy to charge like our phones and those little camp lights. And this is our solar system. I haven't hooked it up to the camper yet, which I will once I make sure when I rebuild the walls in there, the bathroom wall and the that corner wall. Once I rebuild that and I take all the paneling off the ceiling to make sure the ceiling is structurally sound enough to mount the solar panel, then I will do that and mount this stuff inside of the trailer. But for now, it's just I got it outside because it's not going to rain. We're in the desert. We're in the middle of the desert. Got that tent, one of the kids, and then Brianna and Dakota are in there. And it's a beautiful campsite with a beautiful view. At night, we're elevated, so at night, last night was so gorgeous. Last night, the moon was full, and the moon came up out of above the mountain, and then it came up, and it was like complete daylight when the moon was above us. It was like daylight out here. It was so beautiful, and then you can see the city lights at night through here. And so where I was sleeping in the camper with that window open right there, I could see the city lights down there. It was gorgeous. Oh, it was so gorgeous last night. And it was such a clear night. It was beautiful. So yeah, we're here in the desert. Mo is just being a crybaby. Mo, why are you being such a crybaby? Why? Look at you. Now you want to look all ashamed? You want me to come and give you a... Here. What you want? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want, Momo? Momo, what do you want? Huh? You got to stay on the leash. He doesn't like the leash because at home he gets to run around the yard. He doesn't have to be on the leash. So when he come camping, he has to be on the leash. He doesn't like it. When we go up to the land, he doesn't have to be on the leash because it's 10 acres and he can just run free. But here, you get unfortunately being on the leash, and he doesn't like it. So anyway, that's the battery charger that we use to, just in case, we need to charge the battery for something. But we have the battery and the the inverter and the charge controller, which I do not like that charge controller. I have to get another one. Anyway, and that's going to the solar panel, which the solar panel is going to the battery, and the battery is going to the charge controller and the inverter. Don't ask me how it works. You hear that sound? That means that something is amiss. Something is not right. Don't know what it is, but I gotta figure it out. All right, well, I hope everybody's having a good day. It stopped. It's fine. All righty. Take care.